Are you ready to unlock a whole new level of creativity in Photoshop? In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of installing Photoshop Actions in the 2025 version. By the time you finish this video, you'll know exactly how to add amazing actions to Photoshop, making complex edits faster, easier, and way more fun. Let's jump right in together. First things first, we need to open the Actions panel. To do this, head up to the Window menu at the very top of your Photoshop screen. If you're a shortcut fan, you can simply press Alt plus F9 on your keyboard, and that gets you there instantly. This panel is where all your actions live. Think of it as your personal magic toolbox for speeding up your creative workflow. Once you've got the Actions panel open, you'll notice it's pretty straightforward. Usually docked on the side or floating depending on your setup. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, just double-check that you clicked Window and then selected Actions. It should appear almost immediately. Now look at the top right corner of the Actions panel. You'll see a small icon with 3 horizontal lines. That's what people often call the hamburger icon. It might seem tiny, but it's powerful. Clicking it opens up a menu with several actions you can take. Go ahead and click on that icon. Take your time here. Sometimes these small icons can be easy to overlook. Within the menu that pops up, look for the option called Load Actions. This is the key step for bringing in any new action files that you've downloaded from the internet. Clicking Load Actions will open up a file browser window, and here, where you find the ATN file, that's the format Actions use. Maybe you found a cool set of actions that gives your photos a trendy vintage look or powerful retouching tools. Whatever it is, navigate to where you saved your downloaded file. If you're browsing a packed downloads folder, don't worry, you can always search for ATN to find those action files more quickly. Once you select your desired action file and open it, Photoshop automatically loads it into the Actions panel. You'll see it appear in the list, usually with the name you downloaded it as. That's it, you're ready to start using powerful pre-built workflows with just a click. Sometimes actions come in sets, so you might notice a whole folder of new options. These new additions can streamline everything from color grading to advanced retouching. If you're following along and just want a demo on how to navigate, you don't need to actually load any actions. You can simply explore the menu, get comfortable with the interface, and practice finding the Load Actions option so you're ready for when you want to try out real edits later. Remember, even if you don't see instant results, becoming familiar with these navigation steps prepares you for future projects that can save hours of editing time. That's the full process, quick, straightforward, and incredibly useful once you start building up your library of actions. If you ever get stuck, just retrace your steps. And if you're worried about messing something up, don't stress. Actions only add capabilities. They don't overwrite your original files. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see specific actions in action. Don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks. I'm always here to help you get the most out of your creative workflow. See you in the next video.